Dahil tapos na kami sa square root, multiplication. Ngayon, subtraction and division naman. Pero i-combine natin kung alam niya talaga. Okay, start tayo dito. 28 divided by 4. 35 divided by 5. Oh, tapos 100 divided by 10 square root of 64 equals to tapos square root of
oh yeah. I know Mandari Richard.
Okay.
Oh, I'm the peer.
Subtraction naman. 18 minus 5. 6 times 3. 7. No. Times 9. Ewan ko lang kung masasagot niya yung 7 times 9, ha? 30 minus 6 and square of 10. Okay, are you ready na?
Yes.
Oh, sagot mo na. Make it faster, ha? Ayoko na mabagal, ha? Yan, halo-halo na yan. Ewan ko lang kung okay.
8.
Isagutan mo muna kung saan yung mas easy. Bilisan mo na. Mamaya na yan. Sagutan mo kung saan.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 7.
Oh, you're right.
7.
Baliktad naman yan, eh.
Baliktad.
Ano ba yan? Ba't nakahiga yung 7 yan?
Pwede ka.
Ayusin mo yung right. Bilisan mo na. Okay. Next. Make it faster, man.
Make it faster. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 13, 35, 7.
Okay, right. Okay. 100 divided by 10.
10 again.
Okay. Square root of 64.
Square root.
Ano yan?
8.
Ayusin mo naman. Again, what's this?
64.
Oh. Okay. How about this one?
49.
Okay. 18?
Minus 5.
Okay.
18 minus 5. 3. 13.
Okay, write it. Okay. Pwede pakibilisan pa. 6 times 3.
6 times 3.
About 7 times 9.
7 times 9.
Hirap yan.
Is
that?
63.
Wow. Okay, 30 minus 6.
13
30 minus 6.
13 minus 6.
30, that is 30.
13.
30.
30. Mm. 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 24.
Okay, write it. Ang galing, oh, about square by 2. Ay, square by 10. I'm sorry. Wow. Oh my God. Ba't hindi ka nagbibilang? Anong ginagamit mo? On your?
Brain.
My goodness.